First of all, you need to have a hole in your tire. How's it going, folks? Casey here. I was in the market recently for a new tire repair kit. The old blister card package one I got from Craig and Checkers Shucks back in the day had more dog hair in the little patches than was probably prudent for a kit that you put in your vehicle for emergency type situations. And so I took to Amazon as we all do, right? And I looked, and I was looking for a tire repair kit. I looked for one that stood out to me. And I came across this kit by Orcish is the name of the brand. They make a 70-piece and a 98-piece kit. They come in these sturdy, blow-molded plastic cases, and they really have everything you could need and more in a tire repair kit. And I saw they didn't have very many reviews. It looked like it was a newer product, so I reached out to them and I said, hey, will you guys send me one of these and I'll do a review video? So totally like sought out on my end to do the video, and I'm pretty impressed with the kit. You get a lot for your money, and because they're a newer company, I think it's a good bargain for anybody out there looking to add a new tire repair kit to their vehicle, to their emergency kit, whatever the case may be. So let me bring you in here and show you these kits, and we'll talk about everything that's included. Hey folks, Casey here. I'd like to take a quick moment to appeal to you guys to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if anything has intrigued you and you want to jump into the conversation, leave a comment on this video too. The YouTube algorithm has really been crushing my reach lately, so please help me out, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. All right, guys, so I'm really just gonna focus on the 98-piece kit here. Of course, you get instructions, which are quite detailed. They walk you through the steps on the tire repair process. We've got some extra valve cores here. We've got pliers. Pliers are handy for pulling out whatever has punctured your tire. They're also handy for flattening out the tire plug. As you can see, I've already used one. I'll show you that here in a moment in the video. Look at how many plugs you get with the 98-piece kit. That's 45 right there. Plenty to last a long, long time. In addition to the tire plugs themselves, they give you a razor blade, which is handy for cutting off the excess tire plug material. They give you a air pressure gauge, tire stick. They give you a pair of Allen wrenches, which are necessary for changing out the tool heads. This tire plug installation tool is one of the heaviest ones I've ever seen in one of these kits. It's got, you know, it probably weighs 2 pounds. It's got some heft to it. Solid steel handle, nice rubber grip, and it does have the Allen because the head is replaceable. Same thing with the reamer, nice and heavy handle, nice rubber coating, nice zinc plated reamer, and an Allen screw because the head is replaceable. They give you an extra head for the installer and an extra head for the reamer. None of the other kits that I was seeing on the market had that option. They give you a little container for lube to help the installation of the tire plugs themselves. All right, then we got this little hardware kit, and this thing is pretty sweet. This is actually kind of one of the things that pushed me over the edge to buy this particular kit. You got spare valve caps. They give you regular plastic valve caps and metal valve caps. You've got these little speedy plug tire plugs. Got some extended valve caps. Got a valve core tool. And then you've got about 6 extra valve cores in there in case you need to replace a leaking valve core. Really, truly everything you could need. And again, it all comes in an attractive blow molded plastic case so you can store it in your trunk. Nothing's gonna get dirty. Nothing's gonna be exposed to the elements and prematurely wear out. It's just a nice, handy kit, easy to store, and I think it's a good value for the money. All right, I want to take a moment to demonstrate how this tire repair kit works. First of all, you need to have a hole in your tire. All right, don't mind my blooper there. The next thing you do is you take the reamer tool and you push it through the tire. Basically what that does, that pushes any cords out of the way, make sure they're not going to interfere with our patch point. Now that we have that done, we open up the lube. And we take our installation tool, we just lubricate the end of our installation tool. It's going to make it pass through the tire with our plug more easily. Go ahead and pull out the plug. Just like so. Take the pliers included in the kit and go ahead and flatten out the end of the plug slightly to make it easier to pass through the installation tool. Once we get that done, we can go ahead and thread our plug through. Pull it about halfway. Like so. We're going to take and we're going to put it up to our hole. And you got to press pretty hard. I'm just going to push it in. Like so. And then pull it out. It's just that simple. The last step is to take the supplied razor blade, cutting away from yourself, and remove the excess of the plug. The road will do the rest of cleaning that up. Now we just go ahead and fill the tire with air.
A few moments later.
We're going to do a little bit of soapy water to make sure that our patch is effective and I don't see any bubbles coming out. No bubbles coming out, so that is an effective repair. Now we're ready to reinstall this on the vehicle. All right, so once again, the 70 and 98 piece tire repair kits from Orcish. These are professional and heavy duty tire plugging kits. They're perfect for tubeless tire punctures. They're good for cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, tractors, RVs, SUVs, trailers, you name it. Anything with rubber tires that don't use a tube, and this kit is what you're gonna want. As always, I'll put an Amazon Associates link in the description of this video. That helps me earn a couple of bucks if you guys are in the market for a tire repair kit yourselves. I don't think you can go wrong with these. They're pretty good. They're just as good as everything else on the market, and they have quite a few options that make them even better, in my opinion. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you like these product review videos. I like doing them. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, I've got like almost 30 years, both professionally and as a hobby in the automotive field. And I've used a lot of tools over the years, so I feel like I know what I'm talking about. If this is worthwhile content though, let me know in the comments. All right, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one. It's like a big blooper.